Hey guys, Mike from Automotive, Oakville Ontario, Canada. Here today with my service manager, Pat.
Hi.
It's been around, Pat, so they see you. So today we're here to talk about tire safety, which is something that is quite often overlooked. But should it be, Pat?
No.
Right. So today we have a 2019 Kia Soul electric vehicle that came into the shop, and it came on the back of a tow truck today. And the reason for that is we had a very unfortunate tire blowout. So the customer has just recently purchased this vehicle and had his older snow tires put on his new vehicle. Now, is that a good thing, Pat?
No.
No. When we take a look at these tires here, come on in for a quicker zoom in here, Pat. Does the tread look bad, Pat?
No.
Tread looks okay. The big issue with it, though, is we have a date code. All tires have a date code. This one was manufactured the 11th week of 2006. 2006 makes these tires 13 years old. Should we be putting 13-year-old tires on a brand new vehicle, Pat?
No.
Absolutely not. No. So what happens when we do? The tires heat up as you're driving on the highway and they potentially rupture. What happens when they rupture? This is what happens when they rupture. So we have a complete blowout. We've lost the entire rim, the entire tread of the tire. We've lost the inner wheel plastic fender, completely obliterated because it happened at highway speed. Everything came off. And if we zoom in down here, Pat, we take a look at our tire valve. And this particular vehicle is supposed to have tire pressure monitoring sensors. And the reason that we have tire pressure monitoring sensors, quite simply, is so that this kind of thing doesn't happen. That you get advance warning that the tire is low, you get a warning on the dash. Everybody hates them, but they're built-in safety. And for a 2019 electric Kia model such as this, these tires should have been installed with the new rims, because we got new rims, but we used old tires. Whoever installed it, not us, the car came to us this way. They should have been advised, the customer should have been told, the date code of the tire matters, tire pressure sensors matter. Because when you're installing older tires, you run the risk of having this. So here at Urban Automotive, we say safety first. It's not just a saying, it is our reputation. We make note of things like this, such as date codes. We make our customers aware because they have to be made aware. What's best for the car, what's best for the customer is what we look for. So in this case, unfortunately, we're letting the customer know we're recommending 4 new tires with tire pressure monitoring sensors, because that's what makes sense, that's safety, and let's face it, we share the road with each other. This is what's best. So, Urban Automotive, safety first. Thanks for watching.